Hello and welcome to another update on Ethereum on Sunday. We're still looking here at this sideways range, which the price has tried to break out of but could not sustain. But either way, the idea was with this one more high that this would likely be the top of the A wave then in this area. So while the price did not reach the next FIB levels, we did not expect like a direct breakout to $4,000 or beyond. So we'll see how the price deals with this setback now. For now, we've fallen back into the range. I mean, the market hasn't really done anything of relevance, I would say, in the last month. So for the last few weeks, Ethereum has just moved sideways. And it simply is a sideways consolidation pattern here at the moment, yeah. And in this sideways consolidation, we have seen corrective movements up and down. Even the latest rally here from the 5th of June low was just in 3 waves, so not really a trending move. But I explained already in the last videos that this here was an ABC structure, potentially of wave 5, of the A wave, which started in April. So it is seen as a 5-wave move, but the subwaves are all corrective. Like wave 3 was an ABC structure. So also the wave 5 would be an ABC structure. Best I can tell, yeah? Now we have seen quite a sharp rejection, but again, only in 3 waves. So at the moment, that allows us to identify the nearest resistance area here, Fibonacci resistance, which I already communicated yesterday. It's between $2,515 and $2,600. As long as we stay below it, there is absolutely no evidence that a substantial low has formed. So one more low seems likely at this point, especially as long as we are respecting resistance. It does look a little bit like a bearish consolidation pattern, short-term bearish at least, like a triangle which could be followed by one more low. Whenever we're dealing with a triangle, there's typically only one more move to follow in this direct decline. So we might just see one more low in wave 5 of A to complete this 5-wave A wave. A waves can be 5-wave movements or 3-wave movements, but because I see just corrective consolidation below resistance, which could be wave 4 of A, one more low appears likely in this move. And we can label this A, B, C, D, E. Okay, with potentially one more low then in wave 5 of circle wave A. Basically like that, okay? So we're looking at one more low in this initial decline in circle wave A. Direct decline, very likely, could be followed by a wave B corrective rally and then a C wave down. What is always possible is that the A wave already bottomed, but we won't really know until the market breaks above that initial pivot. So I'm labeling this as a triangle, but obviously any break above that A wave high at 2,582 would already invalidate that idea of a triangle. Wouldn't be surprised by it. Triangles are always fragile. But if you don't, you might not know, but a triangle pattern like that, A, B, C, D, E, you would usually expect it to break to the opposite side of the E wave. At least it's just a standard pattern. But as I always say, triangles are fragile, so the levels are more relevant. We have 2,588 and then the 2,600 level, which is the 50% retracement, which is normally the maximum such a wave 4 should really do. So breaking above would indicate, yeah, we are already in the circle wave B, which would then also just be a corrective rally. In that case, we might test these previous swing highs around 2,775 or maybe even 2,880 before circle wave B completes. I would expect circle wave B to unfold anyway, maybe already now, but again, as long as we are dealing with this triangle, the idea is maybe one more low before circle wave B starts. Either way, we seem to be caught in a correction, and until I see the next 1-2 setup to the upside, which means a 5-wave advance followed by a 3-wave pullback, we can just relax. There's no need to be in a hurry here. The market will tell us when it's ready to break out by giving us a setup. No, okay, they're not always set up. Sometimes it will just break out directly. It is what it is, but that's just life. Sometimes that's trading. Sometimes there is no setup. But yeah, that would give us clear parameters and the kind of clear intention confirmation from the market. It's ready to move higher. But for now, every rally would be seen as corrective. We'll, of course, have to monitor the structure. If we see any 5-wave move up, then it could change the picture, because wave B in white, circle wave B, should only be a corrective rally, a 3-wave move. I'll keep an eye on that. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.